Good morning, dear aspirants. Today's news. Equity investors stay put even as smart money leaves India. Comes under GS3 economy. July 2025 saw a sharp rise in domestic equity mutual fund inflows, even as FPI. Company and promoters reduced their stakes in Indian equities. Equity MF inflows were 81%. SIP contributions increased 4.1% to 4.1% to 28,464 crores from 27,269 crores. FPI activity sold a net 17,741 crore in India. Domestic sentiment. AMFI CEO Venkat Challasamy attributed continued inflows to investor confidence in India long-term growth despite temporary violation of US tariff. Foreign portfolio investments refers to investments made by foreign entities in financial assets such as stocks, bonds, and other security of the country. It is distinct from FDI as it does not involve acquiring control over business. Key characteristics of FPA: passive investment, enhanced market liquidity, short term focus, sensitive to market sentiments. FPA policy in India: a foreign investor can hold up to 10% of total paid up capital of an Indian economy without being classified as FDI. If holding exceeds 10%, it is reclassified as FDI regulated by SEBI, ensuring compliance with financial laws. India successfully repatriated the Pipavav relics, believed to be linked to Lord Buddha. Comes under GS1, Art and Culture, from South Beach auction in Hong Kong, marking a milestone in cultural diplomacy and heritage preservation. Discovery: Piprava relics excavated in 1898 from a stupa in Uttar Pradesh, linked to Lord Buddha and the earliest pharaoh. Diplomatic intervention: India halted the auction through diplomatic intervention and secured the return. Preservation: relics now housed in National Museum, ensuring public access. Significance: recovery achieved via public-private partnership with the Godrej Industries Group. Said President for combining private resource and state authority in heritage recovery. Piprava historical context. Piprava is an archaeological site in Siddhartha Nagar district, Uttar Pradesh, near India-Nepal border. It is associated with ancient Kapila Vastu, the capital of Shakya clan to which Gautama Buddha belonged. Discovery and excavation. First discovery 1898 by William Claxton Pepe in British as a British landowner. A large stupa was uncovered containing stone caskets with the Brahmi inscription. The inscription claimed the relics were Buddha placed in the Sakya clan. Rift between two blocks continues in Geneva Plastic Treaty negotiation. Comes under GS3 Environment and Ecology. Negotiation platform: Intergovernmental Negotiation Committee on Plastic Pollution under UNEP since 2022. Two blocks, high ambition coalition, 80 countries including European Union led by Norway, Rwanda supports capping plastics and polymer production. Key positions: India's position expressed: solitary LMC advocates waste management. United Nations Environment Program introduction. Established in 5th June 1972, Stockholm Conference on Human Environment, headquarters Nairobi, Kenya, mandate coordinate the UN environmental activities, assist developing countries in implementing environmental policies. Functions of UNEP were environmental assessment, sustainable development, international agreement, conservation efforts. A court ruling without no room for gender justice. Come GS2, quality and governance, key aspects of ruling. In Shivangi Bansal versus Shahid Bansal, the Supreme Court upheld the Allahabad High Court order suspending arrest and coercive action of 2 months for 2 months in section 498A IPC cases, sparking concerns over women's safety and judicial overreach. Key aspects of the ruling. Supreme Court held High Court directive for 2 month court cool off period before arrest under Section 498A IPC. Concern raised. Procedural issues. Judgment issued in an individual dispute without detailed state consideration of social politics. Safety risks were heard. Questionable rationally. Statistical context. 1,34,506 cases registered. Conviction rate was 18%. Supreme Court established 28 January 1950 under Article 124 of the Constitution. Composition, it composes about 33 other judges and one Chief Justice of India according to Article 124 Class 1. Please practice this mock question. Thank you.